Making a big splash in English, understanding idioms. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, make a big splash. This idiom is colorful and commonly used, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for English language learners like you. Make a big splash is an idiom that means to get a lot of public attention or to create a big impression. It's often used when someone or something new gains popularity or recognition very quickly. Think of it like throwing a large stone into a pond. The splash is big and noticeable. Similarly, when someone makes a big splash, they are creating a big wave in their social or professional circles. Understanding the origin of an idiom can often help us remember its meaning. The phrase, make a big splash, likely comes from the literal splash created when something hits water. This visual and auditory impact is similar to the figurative impact someone might have in a social context. Over time, this literal expression evolved into the idiomatic phrase we use today. Let's look at some examples to see how this idiom is used in everyday language. 1. In business, the startup made a big splash in the tech industry with its innovative app. 2. In entertainment, the young singer made a big splash on her first world tour, selling out stadiums. 3. Personal achievements. His groundbreaking research made a big splash in the scientific community. These examples show how versatile this idiom is, fitting into various contexts. When learning idioms, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are some common ones to avoid with make a big splash. Don't use it in a negative context. It's typically a positive or neutral phrase. It's not used for small, incremental achievements. The idea is of a sudden and significant impact. Now, let's practice. Try to create your own sentences using make a big splash. Think about scenarios in business, your personal life, or current events where this idiom would be appropriate. And that's a wrap on make a big splash. I hope this video has made its own splash in your English learning journey. Remember, idioms are a fun and essential part of mastering a language. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be making big splashes with your English skills. See you in the next video.